Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening my Young Living order for the month of July. So basically, Young Living is a health and wellness company. They have more than essential oils. They have oil-infused products for the household. They have personal care products. They have supplements. They have cooking items. They have all kinds of things that are all oil-infused. And so I am a member, and each month I spend at least $50 in Young Living products, and I get to pick and choose and change those products up each month to see what my home needs. And so usually I have a combination of essential oils, personal care, and sometimes I include some supplements or household cleaning products. So this is a small order, and I'm going to get into it to see what I got for this month. All right, so I have some big tubes in here, and we're going to start with the first one. Tubes usually mean supplements, so let's see. No, this is definitely not a supplement. This is, oh yeah. This month I ordered the Young Living Acne treatment, and it is maximum strength with salicylic acid, and it says clears acne, blemishes, pimples, and blackheads. And so this is a product that I use daily. I tend to get some breakouts around my chin, and so I like to use this when I wash my face after I cleanse and tone. Then I will apply this to my problem areas to help with my acne issues. Let me read to you what it says about the maximum strength acne treatment. All right, so the maximum strength acne treatment, it says, clear acne, blemishes, pimples, and blackheads, and allow your skin to heal with this over-the-counter product developed with naturally derived maximum strength salicylic acid, enhanced with pure essential oils. Maximum strength acne treatment helps keep skin clear and smooth, and it says to use it, you are to cleanse the skin thoroughly before applying this product. Cover the entire affected area with a thin layer 1 to 3 times daily. And I definitely use it probably once or twice a day. All right, we have another big tube. This one's heavier. This one has the Lavender hand and body lotion. I am a huge fan of Young Living's body lotions. I also really love their bath and shower gels, and this is my favorite lotion that I like to use. It says infused with pure lavender essential oil, lavender hand and body lotion moisturizes and hydrates the skin with a relaxing, soothing scent, formulated without parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. And it has, I'm going to look for the essential oils. It has lavender, sandalwood, and I love sandalwood, lemon, rosemary, davana, and myrrh essential oils. And so that's a good one to have. Another big tube. It's weird to have all these big tubes. Oh yeah, I forgot that I ordered this. Now, normally I put my essential rewards, or now they're calling it loyalty rewards orders, in at the beginning of the month, and so I haven't opened this up, so I actually kind of forget what I put in my cart to have sent to me. I told you that I love the lavender hand and body lotion, but this is the Morning Start bath and shower gel, and I love this. I usually rotate between the lavender bath and shower gel and the Morning Start bath and shower gel. This one says infused with peppermint, lemongrass, rosemary, and juniper essential oils. Morning Start bath and shower gel has a refreshing, uplifting scent. Its mild plant-based formula lathers easily and leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and clean. Formulated without sulfates, parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. And this just smells really minty and nice and refreshing. It's a great body wash for the morning time, so hence the name Morning Start. I love that one. And so I'm finishing up my lavender bath and shower gel, and so I'm going to do that one, and then I'll switch back to lavender. I just like to rotate between the two. Now let's see, I do have a small tube in here. I have a couple small tubes, let's see. That's it. Small tubes usually mean essential oils, but this one actually has something that my husband loves. It has the Shutran beard oil, and this is a product that he loves. Now that print is so small, I can't read that. Let's see what it says in the book. And I think I may, this one's got the tip of the other one hanging out. So this one also has a beard oil. And so I ordered 2 of them because these tend to go out of stock, and so I like to have them well stocked for him. And he loves those. Let me read to you what it says about the Shutran beard oil. It does have the Shutran essential oil in it. So let me read to you what is in the Shutran essential oil blend. It contains Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and northern lights black spruce. Okay, and that smells really, really nice. I love the way that smells. But for the beard oil, it says Shutran beard oil features the great scent of our original Shutran essential oil blend, specially crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And it says use the dropper to dispense a dime-sized amount of oil into the palm of your hand. Gently work the oil into your facial hair. Groom and style your facial hair as normal. Rinse excess oil from the hands with warm soapy water. As a Young Living member, I'm committed to spending at least $50 a month on essential oils and products. And sometimes those monthly orders are small and sometimes they're bigger depending on what I need in my household. And I've been doing Young Living for about 7 years, and so I am well stocked up on essential oils and things like that. So my orders are a lot smaller than they were when I first began using Young Living. So for this month, I had the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel, the Lavender Hand and Body Lotion, the Acne treatments, and 2 of the Shutran beard oils to help get my husband stocked up. He likes to keep his beard in a good condition. So if you have any questions about Young Living, let me know. And until next month, bye guys.